What's up, y'all? It's Silly Dilly. We're gonna make some fish tacos, beer battered tacos. We're gonna do a mango salsa. It's gonna be amazing. This oil's already getting hot, and so should that screen, baby, because I'm gonna take the heat to ya. All right, so mango salsa. We gotta get some mangoes. We got a red onion, bell pepper, we're gonna do red, some lime. Don't cut your foot off. Some serranos and some cilantro, baby. It's Spiddly Dilly, and I'm gonna show you how to do it nice and slow. So fine dice, let's get it. All right, so we got our mango salsa. Everything's chopped, finely cut up. We'll add some salt, freshly cracked salt. This is sea salt, and some pepper. The lime should help it get nice and delicious together. This is a very colorful salad, salsa, whatever the hell you call it, but it's gonna be amazing on our tacos, y'all. All right, I promise you. Just the smell right now. Smells like I'm gonna lose 20 pounds tomorrow because I don't eat vegetables or fruits. That's gonna be really good on a taco, but we need to put this in the fridge so it don't go bad. So, fridge it goes. Slaw, make sure you wash your vegetables. You don't know whose man's is putting your his junk on your vegetables. You don't want that, baby. So what you wanna do is you want thinly sliced. We're gonna take that off. Strands of cabbage, and that should be about enough for these tacos. Give it a nice rough chop. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in our bowl. Grab us a spoon. This is some Mexican crema. I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of that in there. You can use mayonnaise or sour cream if you don't have it, but Mexican crema is preferred. A little bit of salt, definitely some pepper in this, and then we're gonna do 1 full lime. And then we mix it in, and this is some easy slaw that can go on top of our tacos. And that'll be delicious, promise. Promise, promise, promise. You can use red cabbage if you want, but I like regular cabbage. And we'll finish it off with some more pepper. And that's all she wrote, y'all. Super easy, 2 seconds. Perfect, amazing slaw. It's time to fry some fish. All right, so now that we got everything chopped up, we're gonna do some seasoned flour. All right, get you about 2 cups of flour, some seasoned salt, regular crushed salt, a little spice, paprika. You can do smoked, but this is regular paprika. Paprika! It's in the game. And some pepper. Just like fried chicken, we're gonna do a flour. We're gonna sift this though. Put it through a sifter. This helps to keep it nice and fluffy, y'all. You want your fish fluffy. Like pillows when you bite into it. Crispy and fluffy. Just like that. Then what you want to do, move it all together. And we're ready. We're ready to chop our fish, but I'm gonna show you how to make a really good beer batter. Stay tuned. All right, time for our beer batter. It's gonna be relatively the same, just with beer. Smoked paprika. Just kidding, not smoked. You smoking, you think I'm using that. Pepper. Sea salt. A little bit of seasoned salt. And put in a bowl. Same thing, we're gonna sift this through. Make sure it's nice and pillowy, y'all. Okay. Get you your trusted Mexican beer. If you're not old enough, then have your parents make this for you. But we're gonna get some Tecate. And we'll do about 2/3 worth. And I'm gonna drink the rest, y'all. I'm gonna drink the rest. So what you wanna do is wanna make sure this is, you don't want it too thick and you don't want it too thin. So right now this is way too thick. Way too thick, y'all. Mix that together. If you can't use beer, you can always use club soda. Club soda will work the same, it just doesn't have the same flavor. Just whisk it together and just a little bit more. Kind of want it like heavy cream. You know, the consistency of heavy cream, that's the way it should be. Alcohol will cook off, so no worries, it won't taste like beer, promise. If you don't like beer, it's not gonna taste like beer, y'all. It's gonna taste amazing. Promise. Tad bit more. And this, y'all, is a perfect beer batter for our fish. We're gonna cut up our fish, and we're gonna make some fish tacos, y'all. We making some fish tacos, mango salsa, and a whole lot of silly dilly. You know it. All right, so we got some cod here. We're gonna do, you wanna make sure it fits in a taco, y'all. So that will fit in a taco. We're gonna do, cut it, like I said, probably 3 down each fillet. And then what y'all do is get your cod, put it in the seasoned flour. Just like that. Flip it. Shake off the excess. Into the beer batter it goes. And again, shake off the excess. And you want to lay it away from you. Straight down. I'm using peanut oil. And the beginning flour that you put on it will help the batter stick to it. So they're like fish sticks. If y'all don't like tacos, eat them like that. Fish sticks. You like fish sticks? You'll like these. These are almost golden brown, baby. So you know what that means. Once these finish cooking, it's time to eat some mango fish tacos. Let's get it. It's like I'm on the beach, baby. We got some queso cotija. On top, that's crumbled cheese. Amazing on tacos. We'll put a little bit more lime on these. Perfectly crisp fish, not chips. Fish. But we gonna try it. Not only is the beer batter bring the crunch, so does that slaw. Sweet salsa it is. Mango. Try that mango salsa out. And I'm gonna eat all 3 of these tacos. Make sure you guys tune into the next one. If you're new here, thank you. We trying to grow our channel, baby. If you're brand new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Try these tacos out. You don't have beer. Like I said, use club soda. But this is definitely a recipe y'all need to try. Signing out. Once your flour and your fish is all over your pants, then put your whole pant leg in your hot oil. It's okay to slap it around, y'all. R.I.P. Rihanna.
We can't include that.
Hell yeah, we can.